We're going to Angkor Wat Temple right now. It's 7:25 in the morning here in Cambodia, Siem Reap. So we're going with the team from our church, visiting the main temple of Angkor Wat. Hey Mrs. Verily, here are we in Angkor Wat. This is the main entrance of the main temple, Angkor Wat Temple. Wish you were here. Yeah, here it is, the main entrance. Angkor Wat Temple. Angkor Wat Temple. We're at Bayon Temple. Bayon Temple. These are some of the art depicted in the walls here in Bayon Temple. Bayon Temple, bye bye. We're inside Bayon Temple. So here is the inside. A lot of renovation going on. Ganap tong monkey dun. Anong ginagawa ng monkey dun? Hi! Monkey! Bayon Temple. Bye.